Looking for a delightful breakfast that's both indulgent and plant-based? This vegan French toast is a game changer. It's the kind of dish that turns a simple morning into a celebratory feast. With its golden brown exterior and fluffy interior, this recipe will satisfy your cravings while keeping things cruelty-free. Imagine sinking your fork into a slice of warm, cinnamon-infused toast, dripping with maple syrup.
It's not just a meal, it's an experience that can brighten anyone's day.
Whether you're preparing breakfast for family or treating yourself, this vegan French toast is the perfect way to start your day. Creating the perfect vegan French toast. The beauty of vegan French toast lies not just in its taste, but also in its presentation. Stacked high and drizzled with rich maple syrup, this dish transforms a simple breakfast into a visually delightful experience. The golden brown slices of toast serve as a perfect canvas for fresh strawberries and blueberries, enhancing both the flavor and the aesthetic appeal. Using thick slices of bread, ideally stale or day-old, ensures a satisfying texture that holds up well to the creamy batter. A touch of vanilla and cinnamon infuses each bite with warmth, making it an inviting dish that's hard to resist. Ingredients that make a difference. Crafting the perfect vegan French toast requires quality ingredients. For the batter, almond milk serves as a fantastic base, while a flax egg acts as a binder to give the toast a fluffy consistency. The addition of cinnamon and nutmeg brings a warm, comforting flavor that complements the sweetness of the syrup. Fresh fruit not only adds a burst of color, but also provides a refreshing contrast to the richness of the toast. The maple syrup, of course, is the finishing touch, lending a sweet, sticky glaze that ties everything together. Step-by-step preparation. Preparing vegan French toast is a straightforward process that begins with mixing the flaxseed and water to create the flax egg. Let it rest to thicken while you combine the remaining batter ingredients in a shallow dish. Once the batter is ready, dip each slice of bread, ensuring an even coat without oversaturation. Cooking the bread in coconut oil or vegan butter adds a delightful crispiness. It's essential to monitor the cooking time to achieve that coveted golden brown exterior. Serving suggestions for a cozy breakfast. The presentation of your vegan French toast can enhance the breakfast experience significantly. Stack the toast high on a plate and drizzle with maple syrup, allowing it to cascade down the sides. Scatter fresh strawberries and blueberries around the base for a pop of color and freshness. A light dusting of powdered sugar not only adds elegance, but also a touch of sweetness, balancing the flavors perfectly. Pairing this dish with a warm cup of coffee creates a cozy setting that's ideal for leisurely mornings or special occasions. The nutritional benefits. This vegan French toast offers a delightful balance of flavors while being mindful of health. With around 180 calories per serving, it provides a satisfying meal without excessive guilt. The inclusion of plant-based milk and flaxseed contributes beneficial nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids and protein. As a breakfast option that appeals to both vegans and non-vegans alike, this dish proves that indulgence doesn't have to come at a cost to health or ethics. It's a joyful way to start the day, nourishing the body while pleasing the palate. Final touches to enhance enjoyment. To elevate your vegan French toast experience, consider experimenting with toppings. Beyond the classic maple syrup, try adding a drizzle of almond butter or a sprinkle of chopped nuts for added texture. You can also incorporate seasonal fruits to keep things fresh and exciting. Don't shy away from garnishing with fresh mint for an aromatic touch that enhances the dish's overall appeal. Ultimately, this vegan French toast can be as simple or as elaborate as you desire, making it a versatile breakfast option for any occasion. This vegan French toast is a sweet, satisfying dish made with thick slices of bread soaked in a creamy plant-based batter. Each bite is bursting with flavors of vanilla and cinnamon, creating a delightful breakfast that pleases both vegans and non-vegans alike. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup almond milk or other plant-based milk. 2. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed mixed with 2.5 tablespoons water, flax egg. 3. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 4. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 5 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, optional. 6. 4 slices of thick bread, preferably stale or day-old. 7. 2 tablespoons coconut oil or vegan butter for frying. 8. Maple syrup and fresh fruit for serving instructions. 1. Prepare flax egg. In a small bowl, mix the ground flaxseed with water and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to thicken. 2. Make the batter. In a shallow dish, combine the almond milk, flax egg, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg. 2. Whisk until well combined. 3. Soak the bread. Dip each slice of bread into the batter, ensuring both sides are coated but not soggy. 4. Cook the toast. In a skillet, heat coconut oil or vegan butter over medium heat. 4. Add the soaked bread slices and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. 5. Serve. Transfer the French toast to plates and serve hot, topped with maple syrup and fresh fruit. Cook and prep times. 1. Prep time 10 minutes. 2. Cook time 10 minutes. 3. Total time 20 minutes. Nutrition information. 1. Servings. 2 servings. Calories 180 kcal.